Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm SN911 and today I'm diving into one of the coolest intersections in fire protection, how fire sprinklers talk to the fire alarm system using something called a water flow switch. It's a behind the scenes process that often gets overlooked, but it's super important. Let's get into it. What are fire sprinklers? Fire sprinklers are automatic suppression devices. They're not just Hollywood waterworks show. Each head activates individually when it hits a set temperature, usually around 155 degrees Fahrenheit. So when one goes off, that means there's actual heat or fire in that area. Enter the water flow switch. So what happens when the water starts flowing into pipes? That's where the water flow switch comes in. Installed on the sprinkler riser, this device detects actual movement of water, meaning the sprinkler head has opened, and sends a signal to the fire alarm control panel. Think of it like this. The sprinkler sees a fire, the flow switch says, "Yep, water's moving," and the fire alarm system goes, "Alright, time to sound the alarm." Now, this little diagram will show you how it all connects. The water flow switch is wired into the fire alarm control panel as an initiating device. Other initiating devices are smoke detectors, pull stations, and heat detectors, but these are actually call points, but they're the same thing. Anyways, once the switch detects sustained water flow through these pipes, and that's usually after a 30 to 60 second delay to avoid false alarms, it triggers an alarm, triggers this to activate, just like a manual call point, smoke detector, or heat detector would. Now, depending on the system design, this should also start other functions, activating stoves and horns, notifying the fire department, unlocking doors, and even shutting down the HVAC system to prevent smoke spread. HVAC being something similar to that thing that can produce heat, ventilation, and air conditioning. Why delay matters? That delay I mentioned is critical. A short burst of water from testing or pressure fluctuations won't strip the system unless the flow is sustained, so it's a smart balance between speed and accuracy. So next time you see a sprinkler head, know this: if it goes off, it's not just dumping water, it's setting off a chain reaction through water flow switches and fire alarm circuits to keep people safe and informed. If you found this video helpful or just plain cool, hit that like button, subscribe for more fire tech breakdowns, and drop a comment if there's a device or topic you'd love to see next.